Hey, good morning, everyone, and happy Aloha Friday from Honolulu. Uh, we're about 15 minutes from the market open. We thought we'd do an early update since it's Friday, right? Friday, we try to take it light, even with our members and stuff, so you guys can start your weekend. Same thing goes with you guys. Remember, if you're not enjoying life, if trading has overcome your life, if it's creating stress in your life, if you're skipping the good things in life to be there and watching a chart, you're doing it wrong. Okay. And today is Friday. So, look, we had some good news this morning, right? China growth a little bit under expectations at 18%, but shows that one of the two biggest economies in the world is opening and is functioning. The United States is coming right around like that. You can see it. There's big pockets in the country that are going back to work. You saw it in your unemployment reports right yesterday, right? And also, too, people are starting to spend money, whether it's stimulus money or work money. They are spending money, and we saw that in the retail report yesterday. Then on top of it, we got the IEA report on oil, and they're very bullish on oil prices going forward. Of course, the wild card is OPEC and how much they flood the market. Another wild card on oil too is Iran, right? There's been sanctions on Iran through the Trump administration that might be changed, or and that could bring. I think they were talking about like 7 million barrels of oil back onto the market. And we'll see how that develops. You guys know we got an energy play going in there, and it's based on the reopening. Regardless of what OPEC does with oil, there is a big consumption surge happening and going to get a little bit more vigorous. Other than that, guys, look, Morgan Stanley reported earnings this morning, and the banks continue their blowout earnings. Morgan Stanley is pretty much the last of the big ones. After this, we'll start rolling into, guess what? We're going to get a little tech. We're going to get Netflix early next week and stuff like that. So we'll keep an eye on that, guys. We rolled out our Apple trade because Apple got super bullish on the chart, and it looks like it's going to make a move to that all-time high, which makes sense. There has to be some leadership in these bull legs in order for them to be massive, right? And Apple is a big part of that. And Apple didn't really participate in the last small leg you had there. And especially you saw how it acts when the market was going sideways. We talked about it, right? We had about that 3-week period about 4 or 5 days ago before the market started resolving upwards. And Apple was just sideways, right? Apple wasn't doing anything in the market. We'd have a big red day, we'd have a big green day, a big red day, a big green day. And we were showing you on the chart how it was just staying in that channel. Now it looks like everything's kind of kicking in. So we'll see how things go, guys. We're positioned right now. We also rolled out our Ollie trade. We like Ollie bargain basements going forward, especially now with the reopening and the retail report and the unemployment reports kind of creating a nice little tempest there. Other than that, guys, you have a fantastic Friday, okay? Check out the stock of the week. It's been on a little pullback since we released it. Because there hasn't been a lot of talk about Second Amendment and stuff. But if you've been watching the news, we've been having these terrible events, and at some point there's gonna be some kind of blowback on this, as far as your ammunition and things like that, which will probably create a buying frenzy. And when that happens, it also creates a buying frenzy in the stocks associated with it. So whether it's temporary or not, we're looking to kind of tap on that. So other than that, guys, you guys have a fantastic Friday, okay? It's Aloha Friday. Take it light. It'll probably be a little bit lethargic of a market today, maybe a good volume early, and then it'll just sag probably after about an hour and a half into the market day once people get their positions or maybe take some profits. Okay. It's also options expiration day. So you're going to probably see a little volume from that and maybe a little bit of volatility too, but probably not much. Okay, guys. Other than that, you guys have a great Friday. I'll see you guys on Monday morning. Have a great weekend.